Okay, y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This is going to be an unboxing video. If you like this hair, this is called Just Virgin Hair. This is from a new hair company. But today we're going to be unboxing some UNice Hair. This is a new series of hairs called Kysiss. It's called Kysiss series. And basically this hair is supposed to be more high quality. So when you first open the box, they have this on there. This is UNice Hair. When you first open it, they got 2 packs of lashes for you. 2 packs. These are cute. Then it has the bundles. I got 3 bundles and a closure. I got 18-inch bundle, 16-inch bundle, and then another 16-inch bundle, and I got a 14-inch closure. Comes in this hairnet. I'm gonna make a wig out of this hair, y'all. Yes. Again, this is the Kysiss series. This is supposed to be more high quality hair. Kysiss by UNice. Yes, this hair definitely feels more high quality than the last UNice hair I got. It's very soft. This hair smells clean. It don't have like an odor to it. The ends, they're not dry. They feel moisturized and they're not blunt. They're like, this is the 18-inch bundle. Comes right here. I'm gonna dye this hair, y'all. I'm gonna dye this hair pink. So if you want to see that video, make sure you come back. These are the wefts. They are neat and clean. These are the beards of the hair. You can tell that this hair is neatly constructed. And the type of wave that this hair is called natural wave. It's not called body wave, it's natural wave. Flowy. And this hair got a nice shine to it. This is the 16-inch bundle. I got 2 16-inch bundles, so I'm just gonna show y'all this one. I'm gonna kind of do a close-up of the hair. Again, this is the natural wave, so it's not curly and it's not a body wave. It's like just a pretty, you know, just a messy look. I like it. This is a close-up of the hair. Y'all can tell this is very pretty hair, and when you wet it, it get back wavy, and it got a really nice shine to it. I like it. I was gonna get body wave, but I was like, I was gonna get curly, but I was like, no, I don't want curly. I want something different. But yeah, y'all, this hair is pretty, and it's like, it look full. I like it, and it smells so good. I don't know what that smell is, but it smells good. Again, these are the wefts. I had 3 bundles, 18, 16, 2 16s and 1 18, so it's gonna be like kind of like a, you know, pretty look. Now I'm gonna show y'all the closure. This is the closure. This is a 14-inch closure. Come in a net. This is the closure. Oh, the closure feels so soft. Oh my, look at that. Yes, honey, yes. And I believe this is like closure so you can customize it. If you want a middle part, you can do a middle part, side part, you know. Just the closure is very neat and it don't feel dry. And then I like this wave pattern. I like it. Again, y'all, I'm going to make a wig out of this hair. So if you want to see me make that wig, click on the next video, because that will be my next video, is making my first wig, and this is my first wig. So shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this hair. If y'all want to purchase this hair, I will leave the direct link to this hair in the description, and I'll leave all the information about the hair. Again, this is UNice Hair. Again, this is UNice Hair. Shout out to UNice Hair for sending me this hair, and the packaging is very beautiful. The shipping was 2 to 3 days, and again, this is just virgin hair. I like this hair. Make sure you check out this hair in the description, and make sure you follow my social media at Darielle_, and stay tuned for that next video because I'm gonna make my first wig.